Hi guys, it's Michaela with Your Everyday Woman, and today I have a tutorial, some swatches, and a mini review on the new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. I am on a bit of a makeup low buy as of right now. However, when I saw this palette, I could not resist. Urban Decay is one of my absolute favorite brands, so I'm so excited to be able to be playing around with this palette. Let's just go ahead and I guess start off with some swatches. So here are some swatches for you. But with that, if you'd like to see how I got this peachy, very everyday kind of eye look, please just keep on watching. So my eyes are primed and set. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shade Mind Slip, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Dazed on my finger. I'm just going to pop that all over the lid. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take that a little bit down onto my eye and just kind of bring it slightly down over on the lower lash line. Next what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone with the shade Trippin'. Just a quick little highlight. You can skip this step if you don't feel like you need it, but I just like to make sure I give my brow bone a good highlight. Next I'm going to go ahead and take the Benefit Roller Eye Brights pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and line both my lower and my upper waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the other end of the brush and dip it into Dazed, and then smudge out that lower lash line. Just wanted to create a shimmery kind of eye today. I thought it'd be cute with the lower lash line being a shimmer. Alright, I'm going to go finish. I'm going to go put on my mascara, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. And well, that's the final look, you guys. I've only been testing this palette out for a couple of days. Overall, I like the color story. I'm glad that Urban Decay came out with a purple palette. I've kind of been hoping for them to jump into more colors. I know a lot of people have complained about like the neutrals not being more cool toned, but I actually like the fact that they are more warm toned. I think it kind of gives us a challenge to pair tones with purples that we normally would not otherwise pair. I like the fact that we can get a more neutral look and then a more bold look. When I saw the promo photos, I was a little bit disappointed. I was hoping these would be more purple based, but I mean, after playing with the palette, I actually really like the colors. I was hoping they would do a little bit more with the purple theme instead of you've got more pink based and then your purples, and they're calling it a purple palette or an ultraviolet palette. So I do wish they would have stuck a little bit more to the purple theme. And the quality wise, these shadows, they're not, I feel like Urban Decay has done better formulas with the other Naked palettes, like the Naked Honey, Naked 3, Naked Heat. I feel like the formula was a lot better in those. I feel like the quality of the shadows so far, based on just the last couple of days, I don't feel like they performed as well as I would have hoped. The longevity of them is not quite there. I understand that purples are a hard shadow to formulate. I expected more from a Naked palette in terms of longevity of the wear. But like the other formulas, the colors are very buildable. They're not so intense that you can't wear them, but so you can. They have a very buildable pigment, so nothing you can't work with. But also, if you're looking for intense pigment right off the bat, you're not going to get that with this palette. You're going to get more buildable. If you are looking for more intense, I would suggest maybe going for an Anastasia formula. But overall, these colors, I mean, they're pretty, they're great. I'm having a lot of fun, and I can, if you guys would like me to, I can create more looks with this palette. So with that, thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do videos focusing on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood. And occasionally you get my children making noise in the background. That's just the reality of being a mom. So with that, thank you for watching this video. God bless, and bye guys.